Hey guys, this is James and welcome to a quick video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a camera shake effect inside Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is very easy now because you will get built-in effect inside Adobe Premiere Pro. You can just click and drag it to make the camera shake effect, and even you can customize how you want the shake effect to look. So there is some customization option too. To do that, if I just show you, here is the video that we are going to work with. This is a static video, right? So to enable the shake effect, I have to go to effects panel. If you don't see, go to Windows, and there you will see effects. Click on it. This panel will appear, and from here search for wiggle, and then click and drag this wiggle effects effect on top of your video. Release it. If you play it back now, you can see the video is moving. Now if you don't like the movement, you can customize the settings. You can customize the horizontal and vertical movement too. So go to effects control panel. If you don't see, go to window, and there you'll see effects control panel. Click on it, and there scroll down and you'll see wiggle effects. Under wiggle effects, you'll see these options. From the horizontal range, you can increase it or decrease it if you want, and from the vertical range you can increase or decrease it. If you increase it, the movement will be drastic. We don't need that much. We'll just keep it maybe 4 to 5%. And if you want to have the angle wise movement, you can also do that by increasing the spin range. If you increase that, now it has the angle movement too. The problem is, once you do that, you will see black edges, right? So to eliminate the black edges, you have to go to on the top, and from here under motion you have to increase the scale. Just increase it maybe 110 or 111. Now if I play it back, it's done. You can see there is a handheld effect on top of the video. So it's that easy. Now you know how you can make handheld look on your video inside Adobe Premiere Pro. That is all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro video editing, then you can subscribe to get more this kind of video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.